So there is a problem with Unity 5.6 and the weapon creator, and the problem actually is a bug, or I hope it's a bug on their end, and it's basically that you cannot run anymore the on animator. Okay, so this, it cannot run anymore inside the editor. In the game scene, of course, it can run fine, so you don't have so yeah, we basically don't have IK in edit mode. Okay, we know the animator can run because if we throw a debug log, you will actually see it. And let's copy paste this and put the on animator IK. You will see that one will run while the other will just ignore it. Okay, you will see that we only get updates for the on animator move, which basically runs every time you actually run the animator, or well, an animation updates. And we can try and test a few things. Let's say it doesn't do anything. Okay, it will never basically run. So there's no easy way to fix this, and you will also see that when you click place models, for some reason Unity just decides to place both of them in the same position. Okay, which makes no sense, especially since the models are placed with a for loop when they are instantiated. So what could happen is that, well, your guess is as good as mine in this case. Even if you put the debug log in here, okay, you will see that the positions will be correct, but these guys will just not decide to be placed correctly. But if you put after the for loop, okay, if you put the position in here, place models, well, it didn't compile yet. Okay, it's going to place them in the correct position. So this and the application inside the for loop or outside, okay, I don't know why, so I'm going to let Unity take care of that. So for now we will have to do a few changes in the weapon creator and a few modifications, but for now, if you absolutely have to work with Unity 5.6, I'm going to show you a trick of how it can work. Basically, because the weapon system I've created is pretty robust. Okay, and if I go into my prefabs, well, basically I'm going to open Unity 5.5. okay, we are in 5.6 in this one. So Unity 5.5, you can create your weapon whatever you want. Let's take this, and we're going to say test 5.6. okay, and I'm going to click, we will have to fix this or something like that. Anyway, the animation is wrong anyway. Okay, and I'm going to click save. Okay, and then I'm going to make this into our actual prefab test 5.6. okay, along with the rest of the stuff. Now what I can do is show in Explorer, and I can take these two, copy them. Well, the metadata might not actually be necessary now that I think of it, but we will see. If we keep the same values, then that means this is going to work. So we're going to come over here in Unity 5.6, show in Explorer. Okay, I'm going to paste them, and when I'm going back, you can see that I have my settings. And if I unhide the IK positions and stuff like that, we will see that we hopefully taken our IK positions with us. Okay, so everything just moves along just fine from version to version. So if you want to create your weapons, for right now, just use Unity 5.5. With 5.6 we actually have to edit the system, and we're probably going to make it to run in play mode, and then save those things in play mode, and then make them and then make them prefabs or something like that. I'll have to think about it. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video just so that you are not confused with it. Okay, so yeah, that's it.